Untung Untung kan? Untunglah Kapten Rastia ada transport. Assalamualaikum teman-teman. Hari ni kami bercadang nak pergi ride and camp. Kita ada kita punya apa kata orang ni? Apa? Porter. Naik Ford Ranger. Tengok kita ada canai, kambing. Okay. Ni barang-barang macam nak pergi ke Laos. Itulah dia. So kita jumpa di sana. Okay, good afternoon guys. Today we together want to ride and camping also. This is our leader.
Hi.
The leader. The name Mamula. The name Mamula. Now he's ikat what you see, tie the bag to his motorcycle lah.
Today we are going to camping at
What the name
Whitestone camping site.
Oh, Whitestone camping site.
Whitestone campsite.
Okay.
Sahung Valley.
Oh, good place ah.
It's a good place, man.
Good place ah. Okay,
Yeah,
good
see you there.
Okay, see you guys. Tapi kita temu ramai Encik Bel. Encik Bel, apa pendapat anda budak-budak ni pergi camping bawa no friend ah. Pergi camping bawa kari kepala ikan lah, kambing perap lah. Okay, kita punya porter bergerak dulu. See you there. Okay, now we try to speak Japanese little lah. Hey, konnichiwa. Campsite no nani? Leader. No, Farisan desu. Farisan Whitestone. This is another friend. His name is Bud from Bud Garage. The owner of Bud Garage.
Yeah, thank you very much for your greeting.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, please speak English.
Please speak English. Our camping no Malay, all English. But broken English.
Okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Broken is also can.
Okay, good.
Alright, over there.
Oh, lama. Ini normal.
Chapati lah.
Chapati and
Chapati cheese lah, bukan non cheese.
no.
Non-cheese.
Yeah. But I said I don't want. Because I celok cannot eat cheese.
My name is Zack.
I don't want to know your name. I already know.
Ready.
Okay, syukur alhamdulillah we already arrived at Whitestone campground in Kampar. So the time now is 18:05. We still have a little bit of time to set up our tents, and meantime we'll see the area of the campground first. See you later.
Ini untuk seminggu makanan ni.
Yo, keep quiet please.
Keep quiet lah.
Daripada tak ada makanan, kacang tu cik orang kata tak boleh makan.
Siapa nak cuci inflate? Siapa inflate? Inflate dulu.
Bat duduk di dalam tadi tu. Tengok minta kan. Haris, kat sini minta.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to you all. Mari kita tengok keadaan sungai di pagi ini.
Let's go, brother.
Kamu lah tak boleh belakang pick up. Hari ni dia macam berada di Siam.
Alright, everybody. Ini roti canai dia. Oh, belum makan dah sendawa.
Alamak, Zack.
Baik apa dia beritahu saya. Saya dah lupa.
Kalau tidak,
Jalan tak ada jerakan sama.
jerakap sama.
Jerangkap samar. Yeah.
Oh.
Hello driver, carefully driver.
We are back at the Whitestone Campground after our breakfast
Campground.
at Kampung Sahom.
Kampar Perak.
Yeah, after this we gonna. There's an anding, you know. There's anding there. There's the anding. They're running,
There is
running away.
This was serigala.
Yana.
Wait. Cabin ready this way.
Yeah.
Ya, mandi sungai.
Yeah. Mandi sungai. Let's go.
You be careful of my spender on my motorbike. Mustakin Bikers, kita bersama. Assalamualaikum.
Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad.
Allahumma salli ala sayyidina. Perjalanan semua selamat ya?
Alhamdulillah semua cantik.
Alhamdulillah.
Keadaan yang okey, cantik. Jalan tak jam. Kata sempat breakfast dulu dekat Rawang. Alhamdulillah sampai.
Alhamdulillah. Baik mandi.
Pukul 12 kan? Pukul 12.
Pakai motor dulu.
Kita
Assalamualaikum Cik Fazal.
Salam. Alhamdulillah sampai.
Perjalanan okey ya?
Jalanan cantik.
Alhamdulillah.
Clear.
Tak kunci je. Oh, ikan.
Ini
Sikit main telefon.
mana dia? Janganlah bergerak. jemput-jemput. Seolah-olah tu.